everyone, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. So a lot of you guys have asked me on my YouTube channel and my Instagram account, what do I feed baby E? And specifically, I think a lot of you are looking for snack ideas. And I think snacks are really important, both for us as adults, but also for babies and toddlers, because they need to kind of eat frequently throughout the day. And I try really hard to think of my snacks more like mini meals than necessarily like treats. I think a lot of us in our society, we equate snacks with treats, but all of the recipes that I'm going to share with you today are super simple. They're easy for you to pack up and take with you on the go. They are low mess, very important, but they're also nutrient dense. So let's do this. First up are my iron-rich baby protein pancakes. To a food processor, I combine some iron fortified grain cereal. I then add some oat flour, cottage cheese for protein, mashed banana, natural peanut butter, eggs, baking powder, and cinnamon. Fold in some blueberries, and then I pan fry until golden brown. Next are these avocado salmon sandwiches. I start by mashing together an avocado with a can of no salt salmon and a little dill, and then spreading it onto whole grain bread. Assemble the sandwiches and cut into fingers and then serve. Next, let's make a quick baby-friendly snack mix that's perfect for practicing pincer grasp. I mix together some quinoa puffs, some freeze-dried fruits and veggie snacks, and then finally, I'll add in a handful of whole grain cereal. Give it a mix and serve. And finally, we'll make some homemade hummus. To a food processor, I puree some tahini, water, olive oil, cumin, garlic, lemon juice, and no salt added chickpeas. Puree until smooth, and then serve with some steamed carrots and peeled cucumber spears. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a little glimpse at some of Baby E's favorite on-the-go snacks. If you want to see some more baby or toddler related content, leave me a comment below. I'm always up for your suggestions. And you can also check out the whole playlist here with all the topics I've already covered. And until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video the thumbs up, and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!